Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Stitch to Google Antigravity in a simple way. First, open your project inside Antigravity. Once your project is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the three dots menu. From the drop-down options, find and select MCP servers. Now you will see a search bar. Type Stitch in the search bar and open the Stitch result that appears. After the page opens, click on the Install button. At this point, the system will ask you to enter your Stitch API key, so keep this window open. Next, open a new tab and go to the Google Stitch website. Sign into your account if you are not already logged in. After signing in, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the menu, select Stitch Settings. Inside the Settings page, find the section called API Key. Click on the option that says Create Key or Create API Key. Once the key is created, copy it and keep it safe. Now go back to Antigravity. Paste the API key into the required field and click Save. This will install the Stitch MCP servers on your Antigravity project. Once the setup is complete, you can start using Stitch inside Antigravity. You can simply ask the agent to integrate your project with Stitch, and it will handle the rest for you. Thanks for watching.